Commentary videos are one of the fastest growing niches on YouTube right now, and some creators are making thousands of dollars every month with them. The best part? You don't need a camera, expensive equipment, or even original footage to get started. In this tutorial, I'll show you how I use AI to write original commentary scripts in minutes using footage that I own or have permission to use. Let's get started. First, click the link in the description and open the page. I've already prepared a set of master prompts for you. These prompts are built around a complete, proven structure, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. They guide the AI through every stage of the process, helping it generate high-quality, well-structured outputs that are clear, engaging, and consistent. Now, here's something important. The structure reference is not a script that you're supposed to copy. Its purpose is to teach the AI how a great commentary video is structured, how to write a strong hook, maintain audience retention throughout the middle, and finish with a satisfying ending. Next, open Google Gemini and paste the first prompt, which teaches the AI this structure. Then attach the structure reference file. While that's processing, paste the second prompt, which is the video analyzer, and upload your own video clip. In this example, I'm using footage that I recorded myself. Gemini will analyze the video and generate an accurate summary of what's happening on screen. This step is important because it allows the AI to fully understand the content before writing anything. Once the analysis is complete, move on to the title prompt. Simply paste it into Gemini. No file upload is required this time. Using the previous analysis, Gemini will generate titles that accurately match your video instead of creating misleading clickbait. Finally, paste the script prompt.
Sometimes Gemini will generate the script immediately. Other times it will ask you to upload your video clip first. As you can see, after I pasted the final prompt, it asked me to upload my footage, so I simply uploaded my clip and let Gemini continue from there.
Within seconds, Gemini will generate a complete commentary script. It will even give you multiple creative directions to choose from, such as funny, wholesome, educational, and more. Pick the style you like best, then rewrite and personalize the script by adding your own opinions, personality, and delivery. That's what makes your content unique. AI provides the foundation, but your own voice is what makes the final video original. And that's exactly the kind of content YouTube rewards. And that's the complete workflow. If you'd like to see how I edit a full commentary video from start to finish, let me know by commenting Part 2 below.